You're taking these steps, you got to understand that when you're starting from nothing and trying to get to something, when the way wasn't really paid for you, understand that it's going to be hard. It's not going to be easy at all. You're going to have a lot of dark days. You're going to have a lot of days where people are going to tell you that it's not going to work. Quit. It's going to be the closest people to you. It's not that your haters are going to be the ones that take you down. It's actually your closest loved ones who are actually going to be the ones sometimes that actually take you down, because they love you and they want to protect you, right? They want to see you do something safe, something secure. But when you're going after your goals and dreams, they're not always safe and secure. So you have to understand that people's opinion of you, this came from Les Brown, never let someone's opinion of you become your reality, all right? Never let someone's opinion of you become your reality. That is something big that once I took that in, I understood, okay, all these people who think that I should be something else or should go somewhere else or my life should go in a certain direction, that's their opinion. God did not give them my vision, so I can't be mad at them that they don't have my vision that I saw. I had that vision. I'm the only one who had that vision. I had to believe in it fully and insanely, and then from there, I cannot let their opinion of me become my reality. So never quit. It's going to get dark. It's going to be hard. Even in the darkest point of the night, remember the sun still rises. And at the end of the day, people who are trying to be successful in life, it's all about the people who stay strong enough, long enough. If you stay strong enough, long enough, you can get to the goal. It's not always about talent. It's not all about skill. It's not about, where you came from, how much money you have, what color you are, what age you are, what race, whatever you are. It's not all about that stuff. Like there is no magic system that's holding you down. There is nothing that is holding you down except yourself. You are the only one who can determine where you can go in life. And I had to realize that, and I had to understand that myself, because I am an African-American guy. How many African-American guys are racing in NASCAR? I'm gonna show you. 2. Dos. 2, that's it. So most people will look at that and like, oh yeah, you don't really have a shot because you're not. No, if I don't have a shot, it's because I didn't do something right. I did not get myself to where I needed to go. So remember that you control your life. You control your destiny. It's all about you. Grind every single day. Believe in yourself. Have that vision. Make that decision. Take steps every single day. Never quit, because it's all about who stays strong enough, long enough. If you stay strong enough, long enough,